How's it going? My name is Nicholas McMillan. I'm one of the VPs and founders of OWETEC Services. So today we'd like to talk to you about what our mission statement is and what we're trying to accomplish here at OWETEC Services. So one of the things we want to accomplish is producing excellent training across the board for all of the industries. Those industries can range from aerospace to biopharmaceutical to the auto industry to the oil and gas, and so much more. So if you come with me, we'll show you all the different kinds of equipment that we're going to be training on and that we're going to provide services and excellent training for you to learn on. One of the units is going to be the SAXX-200 unit. It's a great unit. We'll get more time to talk about it later on. Another unit that we'll provide excellent training on is the Swagelok M200 and its facing equipment. Here we have CobraTig, which is produced by MK Products, still widely used in the industry today. And one of our newer units, the AMI or ARC machine 217.